Welcome! Today, we're tackling the unique challenges of translating files into right-to-left languages like Arabic and Hebrew. Let's explore what makes these translations so intricate and how to navigate these complexities. First, let's understand what we mean by right-to-left languages. Unlike English, which reads from left to right, languages like Arabic and Hebrew are read from right to left. This fundamental difference affects everything from text alignment to document and screen formatting. Some other examples of right-to-left languages include Aramaic, Azeri, Devehi, Fula, Kurdish, Inco, Persian, also known as Farsi, Rohingya, Syriac, and Urdu. One of the primary challenges is text direction. When translating from a left to right language to a right to left language, the entire document or screen layout needs to be adjusted. This includes text alignment, punctuation, and even the direction of bullet points and numbered lists. Next, let's talk about the software and tools. Not all translation tools support right-to-left languages seamlessly. In many cases, you need specialized software that can handle the complexities of bidirectional text. Often, file framework cannot be adjusted without localized versions of software or extensions. Ensuring that your translation tool correctly handles right-to-left text is crucial. This includes proper text alignment, cursor movement, framework elements, and the correct display of mixed language content where left to right and right to left texts coexist. Font and typography issues also come into play. Not all fonts support right-to-left scripts, and those that do may not always render them correctly. Choosing the right fonts that support these languages is essential for readability and aesthetic consistency. Choose Unicode fonts for optimum compatibility. It's also important to ensure that the chosen font maintains the text's readability and preserves the original document style. Technical and design challenges can't be overlooked. Translating websites, software interfaces, or multimedia content involves adjusting the design to accommodate the right-to-left orientation. When designing for RTL languages, button and actionable item placement is crucial for user engagement because reading and interaction patterns differ from LTR languages like English. Here's how it applies. Number 1, natural reading and scanning patterns. LTR users, for example, English and Spanish speakers, scan from top left to bottom right. RTL users, for example, Arabic, Hebrew, Persian, scan from top right to bottom left. Implication: primary buttons, call to action elements, and navigation should be mirrored to align with RTL reading flow. For example, in an LTR interface, a submit button is typically on the bottom right. In RTL, it should be on the bottom left. Number 2, navigation and action placement. Back buttons should be on the right and forward buttons should be on the left in RTL interfaces. Action buttons, for example send or next, should be placed on the left in RTL layouts. Floating action buttons should also be positioned on the left instead of the right. For example, in WhatsApp in English, the send button is on the right, but in WhatsApp in Arabic, the send button moves to the left. Number 3, icons and symbols. Icons that indicate motion or direction should be flipped, except universally recognized ones like play, pause, and volume. For example, the next arrow in LTR should become flipped and be the opposite in RTL. And reply icons, or curved arrows, should face left instead of right. Number 4, consistency in UI/UX. Alignment matters. Text and form labels should be right aligned in RTL. Search bars, input fields, and checkboxes should be aligned properly so users interact intuitively. Avoid mixing RTL and LTR layouts unless necessary, for example, in multilingual interfaces. Number 5, cognitive load and user engagement. If buttons aren't placed where users expect them to be, it creates friction and slows interaction. A well-optimized RTL UI reduces cognitive load and improves conversion rates for actionable items. This includes realigning menus, adjusting images and graphics, and ensuring that interactive elements like buttons and forms work correctly in a right-to-left context. Translating into right-to-left languages like Arabic and Hebrew comes with its unique set of challenges, from text direction and software compatibility to font issues and cultural nuances. But with the right tools, cultural understanding, and attention to detail, these challenges can be overcome, resulting in accurate and effective right-to-left translations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Get ahead with expert tips and game-changing insights. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on navigating translation challenges.